The route heads due north from Cave Spring, and the terrain gradually evolves from farmlands to rolling and rockier Forest Service roads near Summerville, Georgia. Jenkins Overlook is a fun out-and-back extension through tight two-track to an overlook with a decommissioned fire tower atop a steep ridge. Lightly traveled secondary paved and dirt roads connect Chattahoochee National Forest with fuel and services available in Chatsworth. The Loyd's Mountain Vintage Fire Truck offers an interesting photo opportunity just west of Mulberry Gap Adventure Basecamp, which caters to mountain bikers, hikers, and adventure motorcyclists. Section 5 ends in the quaint North Georgia town of Ellijay, the starting point for the Chattahoochee BDR-X.